There, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Hey, check it out. In this video here, you're looking at Google.com. What I'm going to show you is a very simple way to do a Google search. Okay, one simple Google search and to make thousands and thousands of dollars. Now listen, I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. It's many platforms that you have to engage in to make sure that this works. But the great thing about it, it's free. You don't have to spend any money. You don't need any credit cards. I don't need any of your cash. Listen, disclaimer is this. This is not gonna make you $1 million. This is gonna help you to make some money so you can leave that 9-to-5 job and understand making money online is actually possible for you. Listen, this is Google. So what we're gonna do first is you have to think about a niche, okay? And what I'm gonna do, because I like you so much, I'm going to give you a niche that you can use that I know that works right now, okay? But say if it was weight loss, you're typing weight loss, right? Or say if it's maybe something like photography, right? So you're typing photography, right? Because what you need first is a niche. Now, what I'm going to use specifically for this video, because I want to help you out, I'm going to use the niche for camping, okay? It's a very popular niche. You've probably never thought about it, but it works and it works fast. All right, so we're going to search that. Now, listen, we're going to leave that page open. We're not going to do anything with that page, but we're going to leave it open right there, okay? Then what we want to do is this. We want to move over to a site by the name of kit.co. You might say, what is kit.co? It's cool because basically you can build a store in about 10 seconds. Like 10 seconds, okay? And you don't have to ship products. You don't have to buy products. You don't have to have you don't have to do anything, right? All on the website, from your bed, from your bathroom, you're on the floor. It doesn't matter. On this site, I'm gonna show you. You can build a store, right? And within 20 seconds, you're gonna be up and running. Does that make sense? And we're gonna do it right now. So this is what you want to do. You want to go to kit.co. Get yourself a free account. As you can see, I already have my account here. I'm already logged in. My name is what? My name is what? Right? Now listen, what you want to do once you sign up, it's for free and it's worldwide, right? Click on the plus button here, okay? You want to click on where it says create new kit. As you can see here, I already have one, right? Because I'm all about making money online in many ways. And I want you to understand that you will make money online, but you have to listen to every step that I'm giving you here, okay? So I'm gonna do it from scratch for you, okay? Is that cool? All right, look, create new kit. And we're gonna type in camping gear. All right, we're gonna type in bad, instead of saying bad ass, we're gonna put bad $ camping gear here, okay? And you just hit next there. See how easy that it is? Then we're gonna search for camping products. So type in the word camping. See how simple this is, but stay with me because it's many more steps after this that you have to do for this to work right now for you to make money online, okay? You can add the kit, that's the product name, boom. So what I'm doing is I'm building the store, right? I don't have to wait for Amazon to approve me. I don't have to wait for Shopify to approve me. I just go here to the site here and I type in camping again. And what you want to do, it's up to you. You want to fill it up with things of what is used for camping on outdoors, right? Make sense? So you do that. I'm gonna add one more to the store, then we're gonna go to the next step. All right, if you guys believe I'm giving you massive value, you can go ahead and hit the like button. I know I said wait till I give you massive value, but listen, if you want to show a brother some love right now, smash that like button. Let's get it. Go ahead and do that for your boy. All right, look. Check it out. I know you're enjoying yourself. You probably have a huge, big old smile on your face right now. Right? Sleeping bags, right? Okay, I don't count, but I can make a ton of money by helping other people, okay? So look, so we're done. We're gonna add about 3 to 4 products here. So that's what you're gonna do. And listen, I suggest you actually do this while you're watching the video. If you need to rewind the video, pause it to make sure that you don't miss one step, because you will make money online if you do this the correct way. Then you're gonna click on view kit and bam, it's gonna pop up. Now look, you see where it says Twitter? You can share this to your Twitter. It's up to you, okay? But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit that, okay? I'm not gonna log into my Twitter. I'm gonna go back and you can either click the word share kit to move it to your Twitter because it'll start sales. But listen, it's another step that you have to do for this to work very fast on autopilot here, okay? So I'm gonna click share later. So this link right here is basically my store that I've just created in 20 seconds, okay? Badass camping gear. You see, that's my daughter, my beautiful baby. And listen, she's my wife. This is the reason why I have to keep pushing, and I want you to understand, you got to keep pushing. Don't stop. So this is my store. You're going to copy the link. You see this link right here? This is my link right here that you need to write down somewhere in a notepad because you're going to need it, okay? Now, we got to go back to Google. Now, we're going back to Google because what we want to do is type in the word camping stories, okay? And listen, you can do this in any niche. Camping is just very popular, so if you want to start making money online using the strategy, using camping is very popular right now, and it works online on the computer as it relates to making money online right now, okay? So listen, camping stores for kids. We're going to click on here, and what we want to do is find some cool stories here, okay? And I'm going to show you. And listen, we're not going to plagiarize, not at all. You're going to see. Watch this. So, you see here, okay, this is a camping story right here, the Wolf Girl of Devil's River. So what we're going to do is copy this, for example, because what you want to do is this. We want to find stories about camping, right? One thing, remember this, people love stories, all right? So this is what we're going to use. So we're going to take this story, then we're going to go to a site by the name of spinbot.com. Spinbot is so popular that you can just copy and paste your text, right? You're like, listen, you're laying down right now. You're relaxed. I'm pretty sure that you're relaxed right now, and you're listening to my voice, and you're listening right now to the very end. 9511. I'm not a robot, but sometimes I am a robot. Hello, my name is Wesley Barden. Let's go. Look, verify. Type in go. And what Spinbot does, it just rearranges the words, right? It's the same context, but it just rearranges the words, okay? That's it. And you just take that information here. So now you're not plagiarizing because you use Spinbot, and you can use this for anything, folks. You can take content and just rearrange the words, and Spinbot does it for you, okay? Now, what we want to do is this. We want to go to another site. Listen, I told you it's a lot of steps. Listen, I know you guys want to smash the like button. I know you guys may say, I love Wesley Virgin because he gives so much value, but pay attention. Don't do that yet. Listen, so go to parlor.com, okay? Does that make sense? Go to parlor.com. Make sure you keep Spinbot open. You're going to need this rewritten text in a second. So make sure you leave this screen open now, okay? Does that make sense? All right, now you want to go to parlor.com. Now, the great thing about parlor.com, it's like a social media website. Similar to Facebook. Many people don't know about it, but internet marketers like me that make millions of dollars online, and I teach so many people. As a matter of fact, I'll leave a link below if you want to make your first $10,000 in 30 to 45 days flat. It's powerful, it's incredible, and I don't BS. Listen, let me show you something about this website. You may say, well, what is parlor.com and is it popular? So if we go to similarweb.com, you can see right now parlor.com is globally 1,600. In the United States, it's 490 out of all websites on the planet. They get over 5 million, 29 million views per month. That's insane, right? So the great thing about it, you are going to use this site, right? And basically, it's like Facebook, it's like Twitter, it's like Instagram. Many people just don't know about it, but now you do, right? And what you want to do is this. You want to take that article that you copy and paste. Now listen, you want to sign up. It takes 20 seconds to sign up at parlor.com. It is free. All you need is an email and you sign up and it's done. Now this is what's very important while you're posting to this site here, okay? Watch this. So I'm going to scroll down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to tag, because this is how people find you. The great thing about this site, you don't need any friends, you don't need a lot of likes, and these people here at Parlor, they will put your content in circulation where just random people will see it. if you do the right tagging. So you're going to tag like this: camping gear, best camping, right? Stuff like that. Because people on this site, they take this information here, they're going to curate it, and they're going to put it around the web. Now remember, you have to go back to what? Your kit.co and take your kit that you created, right? Because what's going to happen is this is powerful, by the way, and I know you guys are getting excited, and I know you guys want to do this right now. But listen, so here what you want to do is you want to make sure that you put your link right here. The best camping tools for newbies and vets. Okay, does that make sense? That's it. You type that in, you put your link right here. And the great thing about this site here, you know, like Facebook, they like try to ban you every time you put any type of link. This site, they love this type of information. And what you're doing is you're going to give them some information here. That's an article, right? A quick story, right, about camping. And if you want to know more, like the best camping tunes for newbies and vets on the planet, that's what I'm going to do. And you should be doing this with me, guys. Don't just listen to me. Actually do this. You gotta take action, by the way. You just can't listen to a video and expect to be rich or wealthy or make money online. You have to actually take action to make money online. And then what you do is hit the word parlay, baby. That's just like hitting the publish button. And as you can see here, boom, bada bing, it pops up. It's already there. And the great thing about it, if you want to add thumbnails, pictures, it is up to you, okay? It's totally up to you. But see there, every time they click that link there, right, boom, that's your gear. And every time someone buys, someone purchases, you make money from the kit.co site, okay, through Amazon. Does that make sense? Now, how easy is that? How many of you right now are willing to comment below, I can do this? It's very simple, okay? And listen, you can use any niche that you want. It doesn't have to just be camping. It could be anything. It could be photography. It can be if you're trying to be a doctor, or it can be any niche, you know, making money online. It could be relationships, how to make love quick. It doesn't matter. Any niche that you want, you can go through the same process here. And all you need to do is on the Parlay website here is basically post, put the tags, and let Parler do all the work for you. Does that make sense? And remember, you can always go to blogs. You can always go to blogs and go to forums. And, you know, this is what I do. This is what I know many people do as well. Now, listen, I know what you're thinking. Wesley, I want to try this. I want to do this to make some money. But listen, this is not going to make you a wealthy internet marketer here, okay? What I do, I'm just a young black kid from the south side of Houston, Texas. And by the way, smash the like button if I gave you any value. If I didn't give you any value about making money online through this very easy strategy, just go ahead and say, Wesley, I like you, but I'm not going to smash the like button because, I don't know, you didn't say let's go enough, all right? Listen, I'm just sharing with you. You can do this, but if you want to learn, if you want me to teach you how to make money without affiliate marketing, forget about affiliate marketing. This is the strategy that I did years ago, and the reason why I make money like this. Let me show you proof here, okay? I'm gonna log into one of my accounts, and let me show you what I've made the last month. If you want me to help you make money like this, I can guarantee $10,000 a month, but you do have to put in the work. You can't be lazy. If you're lazy, it's not gonna work. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if you're not a lazy person. If you're a person that's willing to put in the work, I want you to be honest, please. Go ahead and smash the like button right now. Let me show you what I've made in the last month. And this is not to be braggadocious. It's for me to inspire you, to let you know it doesn't matter who you are. Listen, I dropped out of college. I failed with the Army. I got kicked out. I've been in jail a few times. I've had cars repoed. I've slept on the floor of my friend's apartment. I've been kicked out. I've had bad credit, but I still made millions of dollars. Why? Because I liked and I took massive action. Okay, this is what I've earned of the technique that I'm going to show you in the link below. That's $64,000 in 1 month. I'm going to be very transparent. You see that? That's in 1 month. This is what I show thousands of people every single day how to do. But listen, the link is in the bio below. Okay? If you want to learn and discover what you're doing wrong as it relates to making money online, if you want a no BS approach, if you're a brand new person, it doesn't matter your age, it doesn't matter why you're watching this video, but you're here on this page right now, click the link in the description below and let me show you how to do $10,000 in the first 45 days. Yes, it's going to take work. Yes, you got to be focused, but guess what? I'm going to be here with you. Hey, I love you so much. This is Wesley, $1 billion version. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated. Let's go. Wow.